Italian Innovation Day. Why Italy matters to the world.
Hi, I'm Giovanni Venturini and I'm the CEO of Biosolid Technologies. So the team of Biosolid Technology is formed by Roberto Crea, one of the most successful scientists in biotechnology. He's the inventor of synthetic insulin and former Gentech partner. Myself, Federico Grati and Stefano Babbini. The last 5 years we have developing more than 20 biofuels projects based on the cultivation of jatropha. Jatropha is a tropical crop that needs little amount of water to produce seeds that contain 30% of oil that is used for biofuels production. So what Biosolid does, we found a way to valorize the remaining 70% of the seed after the oil is extracted. This cake contains a lot of protein, more than soybean meal, but as well some toxic components. We have developed and patented a process to extract, to detoxify this meal and to produce animal feed. Our process is low cost, fully scalable and environmental friendly. Thank you very much.
Italian Innovation Day. Why Italy matters to the world.